Hello. What we want to do in this session is just show you how to set up your Webex session when you've been invited. Generally, you'll be asked to the meeting via an email. The first thing to do is to click on the link and it will load up the meeting center. You may be asked if you want to install an ActiveX or a Java component. If so, then you need to answer yes, as these are required for the Webex meeting center to run. Once you get to this screen, you need to enter your name and your email address and click Join. This will then go through and take you into the Webex Meeting Center. Again, if there's any, do you want to accept certificates, click Yes or Trust. Can sometimes take a little minute. As you see here, it's about a minute for it to run. This will only run the first time you use Webex on your computer. After that, it will happen automatically. When you get into the meeting center, you'll get an option whether you want to call or join the audio conference using phone or using computer for audio. A common mistake here is to click Call Me, as there is a big red button in the middle of the screen, but instead you need to click underneath where it says Use Computer for Audio, and then click on Call Using Computer. This will then take you through a wizard which will help make sure your microphone and webcam, if you have one, is working. The thing you need to make sure is you are selecting the right device. Here I've got a number of options, but I'm going to select default speaker. You can test the output volume by pressing test and adjust the volume as if required to hear the playback voice. When you're happy it's loud enough, click next. Again, it will ask you whether you want to have a microphone or not. Make sure you select the right one. Often people will leave it to the default microphone, but if you have got a headset, you need to make sure you're using the right one. Here I'm using a Logitech headset, so this is the one I'll select. Again, you have the option to test it by pressing record, and if you talk into the microphone, you will see that the status bar is playing. If you press stop, you can then play back what you've heard. When you're happy, again click next and finish, and you'll go into the meeting center. You can minimize this window out of the way, and if you want to use your webcam, you need to click on the video button and put your video all about to go live. If you don't want to send it, obviously you don't need to. If you need to rerun the audio wizard at any time, you need to click on Leave Audio Conference, and yes, you do want to leave. Go to the Webex window and select Audio and Audio Conference, and it will take you through that wizard again.